Hey, this is Spencer Sue, your Bay Area real estate agent, and welcome to the vibrant community in this incredible area of Burell Ranch Estates in Morgan Hill. Now, this community has a total of 220 plus homes. However, they are at the final 20 to 25. The next earliest move-ins, if you're to buy any of these, will be in Q4 of 2025. If this is of interest to you, you got to reach out because as one of my viewers, you're going to get fantastic service from myself, but also the best deals possible. And reminder, if you want a new construction, I do have to join you for the very first time. So if this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. If you're returning, thank you for coming back. Before we dive into the details, you got to be sure to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any updates about the Bay Area real estate market and exclusive property tours like this one. We're going to be taking a look at 2 different models, even though there are 6 different plans. So depending on your interest, we can figure out if this will work for you. Now, many of these will start in the price points of $3 million. They'll go up to about $3.5 million. Let's go take a look. Now, as you come on inside, you're going to see this layout has such a grand entrance. Now, I'm going to first give you a peek as to what the in-law unit quarters looks like. You will have a living room and a bedroom set up for your in-law unit, plus the built-in kitchen. Here you can see this is plenty spacious for your guest, or more importantly, if you have in-laws that are living with you, because you still got this nice walk-in closet, and look at this beautiful bathroom. There is a separate entrance to this so that they don't actually have to go through the main route. Now, under the staircase, this is where you'll find your coat closet. Just so you can see on the left-hand side there, you can see a amazing temperature-controlled wine cellar. Here you'll have your half bathroom, shared amongst the family and the guests. And now these are 3-car garages, and they run deep. So that's why you can see you got plenty of spacious parking here for your 2 cars, and then it goes another car in to fit 3 cars. Now, this is what we spoke about a little bit before, temperature control. Now, I'm sure this is an option. Not all homes require this, but it is absolutely stunning. I mean, look at this grand kitchen. Subzero fridge. Here you can see this absolutely gorgeous kitchen. Now, be mindful, this is a fully decked out place, so don't fall too much in love with it, but this could also be yours. While you just saw the separate wine cellar, you still got a full walk-in pantry. Check out this incredible Subzero fridge with Wolf appliances. Beautiful backsplash. Look at those custom lights, even in your cabinets. You can see this beautiful 6-burner Wolf stove. Just some of the top of the line, one of the nicest homes you will ever find. And I also want to point out, look at this decked out backyard. The builder told me, I forget if it was this one or the other one. One of them is worth $1 million and the other is $1.5 million for this backyard. This is a resort style backyard. So look, if you bought this place with me, you got to invite me because I got to come over to your parties. Now here around the corner, even though we have the in-law unit downstairs, you still got this beautiful office space that has direct access to the backyard with these beautiful sliding doors. So tons of natural light comes in. I mean, look at this. There is so much natural light that can come into this because of those high ceilings and also those grand windows. Now let's go take a look upstairs. Now, given the sheer size of these, you can see there's just so much room, so you might as well have all these separate living rooms or landing pads. Here, don't mind the stuff in this closet, but a lot more storage available. You got this large laundry room, and I like what they did on top above the sinks. I don't see that too often, or you still have a bar to hang up clothes. Now we're gonna take a look at one of the bedrooms upstairs. You can still see nice walk-in closet, pretty spacious. You can see what they chose. So you have the beautiful tile work. Look at that wallpaper that they chose. You can see on the left-hand side, all of those are going to be custom. Those are all built-in cabinetries. Let's go to the next one. You can see there's still 3 more bedrooms upstairs. At this one, you're going to have a ensuite. So you still got a nice walk-in closet. Here we're off to the other bedroom. You will also have another walk-in closet. So you can see the rooms are not only spacious, but there's plenty of storage in each of them. There's a reason why 90% of homes here are already sold out. And I apologize, I guess I forgot to go check out the ensuite bathrooms inside. But here you go, let's take a look at the finale, the primary bedroom. I mean, look how much space is here. You can have your office space, your desk space. But what I love most about these homes is these bathrooms. Is the primary bathroom. I mean, look at the size of this shower. You got 2 beautiful vanities, along with that perfectly located bathtub right in the center. And then take a look at this walk-in closet. Is this not a dream for most people? Here you even got a seat to do makeup. Incredible, really hard to find. Now, for those that want a single level home, this may be it for you. Come take a look inside. You got this beautiful separate dining room. Look at that chandelier. You like that chandelier? Would you choose something different? I mean, the thing about Toll Brothers is they completely deck out their model homes. I mean, look at this separate office space that is right next to the dining room. Just absolutely gorgeous. Now, I will be upfront. While the other homes will be between $3 to $3.5 million, these model homes will always go last, and they're expected to go in the $5 to $6 million range. So it gives you some perspective just how decked out the finishes and, more importantly, the backyard is. What do you think about this style of the kitchen? Do you like these colors more? Do you like this layout more? You can still see there's plenty of storage in the back in your other dining room. So if you didn't want to use that formal dining room, you can certainly use this one. Now, this backyard is a little bit different. Not like the other one with a swimming pool. We'll go take a look outside a little bit later. Gave you a little bit of tease because many of these also have sizable lots. That is very important when it comes to new construction homes. Some new construction homes have very sizable lots. Some have big lots but are not that usable. So be mindful of exactly where they may be. Here we're going to be entering the primary bedroom. You can see nice built-in cabinets. Even there is lighting in the cabinets itself. Now, how would you compare this primary bathroom with the other one that we just saw? Would you prefer this style or the other one? Leave in the comments below which model you like more. And more importantly, which of these walk-in closets do you like more? I like the colors of this a lot more, but this is not as big as what you just saw previously. So you make the call. Now, the other cool part about this is the fact that it's such a large space, still being a single level home. Typically, when you're at anywhere close to, let's say, 3,000 plus, you are going to be a 2-story home. But fortunately, in Morgan Hill, there's still a good amount of land, and the developer chose to go with this layout. Here is a separate space that some models actually do not have. This is more of a flex room. So it's up to you if you want to have this or not. We're walking off to the next bedroom, and the good news with so many bathrooms is that a lot of the bedrooms will have their own ensuite. So just a lot. So just very convenient. So just super convenient for those that don't need to worry about sharing space. And also, most of these will have this spacious walk-in closet. Here, we're gonna walk into the next bedroom. As you can see, also has their own ensuite. I love the finishes and the colors that they chose. You can see the tiles go all the way up to the ceiling. Once again, another staple. Nice walk-in closet, plenty of storage all throughout this home. On to the next bedroom. One thing I want to point out about these two is because it's a single level, the ceiling height will also be higher than most of you may see. I'll have to double check exactly the height. I'm not sure if it's a 9 feet or a 10 feet, but as you can see, there's quite a bit of space. And you just saw back up there, they do also have built-in speakers. Now, as you look and see the difference between this and the other one, you may be asking, what does a pantry look like? Well, here we go. This one will have still a walk-in pantry, and actually this pantry will be larger than the other one, but it won't have that formal wine cellar that the other one did have. Here, you're going to still have your laundry room. In this case, this one doesn't have that rod that you can use for hanging clothes. I want to say this is a little bit bigger. Here we go with your half bathroom as you enter in from the garage side. And you may be wondering, does this one actually have an in-law unit like the one that we saw previously? And what's the pro and con of that one versus this one? I'm going to show you momentarily. Here you're also going to have a very spacious 3-car garage. And the way that to do the 3-car garage is you can go deeper, park deeper in. But here is a separate in-law unit space. You can still see this one has a gas stove. And I don't know how they got by with it, but most places do not have gas stoves anymore when it comes to new construction. So I believe it's because they had started this a long time ago, so they were able to go bypass that. The difference of this one is that it doesn't have a separate living room like what we just saw in the previous one. But if you want more of this studio feel, this will work out well. Now let's wrap things up from the outside. So you can just see, look at that outdoor barbecue area. I mean, it's just a dream for most people.
So what do you guys think? If you're considering a move to the Bay Area, anywhere, any city, or looking to upgrade your lifestyle, let's have a conversation. I got strong relationships with all these builders. I know exactly what's happening. If new construction is the route for you, if not, we can look like everyone else of my clients are looking at pre-owned homes. I love to be your guide. Feel free to reach out over here and we can begin a conversation to see what is the best for you. Questions about the market, how will the recent wildfires impact insurance, wondering whether it's the right time to buy or sell, what incentives are available from the different builders, what are the best possible options for your budget. I got you completely covered. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.